Listener, hey, where are you? Listener, come on. The fireworks are going off. They're really pretty. I want to go watch them. Listener? Listener, why are you hiding? Are you okay? Hey, what's wrong? What's scaring you? What? Huh? The fireworks? Are you scared of fireworks? No. Then, why are you scared? Oh. You don't like the noise of the fireworks? Are you scared of the loud noise? Is that it? Oh. Okay, okay, let's not watch the fireworks. I can watch videos later, it's fine. I doubt anyone would have any good fireworks over here, too. Apparently, fireworks are dangerous, so people don't like doing them around houses and apartments and shit. But, okay, well, let's get all cuddled up. Here, let me... There. Now you're all huddled in this blanket. Do you think headphones would help? I mean, they'd reduce the sound, or like make it quieter, but then you won't be able to hear me. No, we could... Yeah, we could use headphones. I don't mind. You can't hear me. Okay, what do you want to listen to? Okay. There, okay. Listener, it's fine, I don't care. I mean, there's fireworks every year. I could just go look next year. Yeah, I promise, it's fine. Yeah, I don't mind. I've told you so many times. You're more important than anything else. So, whatever is scaring you, whatever you're worried about, whatever, anything, it's my concern too. You don't have to go through it alone. Is me talking good? Is it helping? Maybe I could read a book or something so you can get off, so you could hear my voice, so you could focus on it. Would you like that? Yeah, let me look for a story on my phone, because you know damn well we don't have any books, so Do you know any good apps for stories? What? What? Wattpad? Huh? What? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask. Funny FUNNYBOOKS. Oh, I got. Let's see. Do you want me to read? Do not read this book. You'll die of laughter. Okay. Oh, these are like just jokes. Okay. Okay. Apparently something went wrong. Oh wait, no, never mind. Oh, that was okay. Okay, so I'm guessing these are just a bunch of jokes. Dad, I'm hungry. Hello, hungry? I'm dead. Dad, I'm serious. I thought you were hungry. You're kidding me. No, I'm Dad. Oh, it's a stupid story. I love it. Oh, that was a weird joke. I'm not gonna read this one. It's not good. It's not appropriate. Anyways, it's not letting me skip this ad. But, okay. A teacher wanted to teach her students about self-esteem, so she asked anyone who thought they were stupid to stand up. One kid stood up, and the teacher was surprised. She didn't think anyone would stand up, so she asked him, "Why did you stand up?" He answered, "I didn't want to leave you standing up by yourself." Oh my god, that one's funny. Don't you think? Oh, I'm getting another ad. Man, sucks. Oh, it's giving me a long ass ad too. You were trying to tap out. Okay. One guy said, "Did you hear about the two bald guys who put their heads together? They made an ass out of themselves." So oh god, that's so stupid. Let's see. Ooh, this one talks about two hunters. Two hunters are out in the forest when one of them collapses. He doesn't seem to be breathing, and his eyes are glazed. The other guy takes out his phone and calls 911 and gasps, "My friend is dead! What can I do?" The operator says, "Calm down, I can help. First, let's make sure he's dead." There's a silence, then a gunshot is heard. Back on the phone, the guy says, "Okay, what okay, now what? Oh my god. That is dark. Oh my god. That's only joke 6. I'll read like about 10, so. And then we can listen to music afterwards. There was a preacher who fell in the ocean and he couldn't swim. When a boat came by, the captain yelled, "Do you need help, sir?" The preacher calmly said, "No, God will save me." A little later, another boat came by and a fisherman asked, "Hey, do you need help?" The preacher replied again, "No, God will save me." Eventually, the preacher drowned and went to heaven. The preacher asked God, "Why didn't you save me?" God replied, "Fool, I sent you 2 boats." Oh, that's stupid. Okay. I don't get this joke, so I'm just gonna skip this one. These jokes they're just like dark humor. I love it. A woman gets on the bus with their baby. The bus driver says, "Ugh, that's the ugliest baby we've ever seen." The woman walks up to the rear of the bus and sits down, fuming. She says to the man next to her, "The driver just insulted me." The man says, "You go up there and tell him off." "Go on, I'll hold your monkey for you." Oh my god. Oh my god. Monkey. Oh, that's deep. I don't, is the monkey, like, is it not actually a monkey, or you're just calling the monkey, or the baby ugly? Okay, another one. Oh my god, I just got another ad. What the flip? I have to wait 10 seconds now. I'm good at your hands with this, but what the flip? Okay, oh my god. It says, "Whoever answers my next question can go home." One boy throws his bag out of the window. "Teacher, who just threw that at me? I'm going home now." Do you get it? Yeah, because the teacher said, "Whoever answers my question gets to go home." And the teacher asked the question when the kid threw the bag out of the window. And the kid answered it. He's like, "Oh, I did it, so I can go home now." Do you get it? God, is this what school's like? Not really. Who cares? We're gonna read one more. I don't know how many I read. I just tried reading. Oh. "Would you punish me for something I didn't do?" said Jimmy. Teacher said, "No, of course not." And then Jimmy says, "Good, because I didn't do my homework." Is this what school life is all about? Like homework and worrying about doing it? Okay. Well, let's listen to music. I'm just gonna put relaxing, chilling music, because, I don't know what could be more comforting, but, we can listen to music and cuddle. Yeah. Alrighty then, let's do that. Come here.